Okay. Okay, 2 minutes and I'll get started. Just gotta fix one or two small things. All right, what time is it? It's 9:17. All right, audio test on everything else that we do. Let's do an audio text test. Based on pressure though. 24,640. Okay, speeches. All right. Okay, I think our audio should be okay. Audio should be good. All right. Good morning, everybody. Monday, September 22nd, 9:19 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com. Thank you for coming in person as well as online. Let's get started and let's take a look at what is scheduled today. For Forex Factory, nothing much for this week. We start with just speeches. So speeches is something we're gonna look for, but this should be an okay day. I don't think we should have any other issues along with unless something completely random goes out of the way. Where are we looking at seeking alpha earnings calendar? Earnings, nothing major in earnings. So anything I say here is not financial advice. Charts or other. Can't see my video. Like Zoom, you don't get to see my video. On live stream or Telegram, you get to see a video. On Zoom, you just get to hear me and see the charts. Zoom is completely independent. The reason I have Zoom because a lot of people would like to kind of see how the chart prices are coming along. So the true actually is live stream if you want to watch a bit of video, but sometime it's a bit delayed. Anyway, anything I say here today is not financial advice, just for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes only. You're responsible for your own stop losses and everything that for the last 15 years we've been saying here at this office. Okay. Now, let's take a look at days highs and lows for the range. Base is down, pressure is down, range for the night. So NASDAQ went as high as 24,876 was the high, 24,750.48 is the low. So now I have a range for the night, 128 points. Where is the price right now? Price is hovering at 810. 810, so very close to our R1. R1 and night session is pretty much the same. S1 and night session low is the same. Now we have over R1, we have an R2. So whole day we just sit and yes, come on. आपका हाँ अभी आपको कर देते हैं नो प्रॉब्लम आप सिर्फ आप अभी उधर ही बैठे क्योंकि जनरली माजिद भाई होते हैं आज उनकी डॉक्टर की अपॉइंटमेंट है डोंट वरी जस्ट सिट एंड ऑब्जर्व तो आई विल असिस्ट यू somewhere around in about an hour. Okay, don't worry, it's okay. We'll get you going. So R1 S1 is done. Speeches are there. High to go low most likely will be the plan of action. Let's take a look. If they now December contract is here. Today is the new day. Old contracts are no longer traded. We have a new record, by the way. We have a new record of gold. 3762 became the 63. So 3763 is the highest high in the history of gold. And look at this, what happened. From September 19th, $87 up, and it is hovering at 37.58. So gold has made a newer high, and it is outside of the 1440 chart. It is outside of the 240 chart. It is outside of 60-minute chart, and then of course it's outside of 30-minute chart. So gold, new areas are there. So if it goes above 71, maybe it'll hit 3,800. You never know because of the political reasons, uncertainties. I've been on this planet Earth for 46 years now. May not be. I think he's had doctor appointment. You can sit over there, here, doesn't matter. So a lot of this has to do with a lot of geopolitical issues that are happening live. Middle East is uncertain. Ukraine is uncertain. Japan says we don't want to recognize a two-state solution. So there's a lot of moving parts that are happening, which is causing a global chaos. We don't care. Uh, Green to buy, red to sell, mid-band area. So day traders are the biggest winners on in these volatilities because position traders are really confused on where all of this will go. Yes, it's going one way, people are cashing out, so on and so forth. But those that are doing day trading is always on a end of the day, you're not too much worried because at 5 o'clock your trade closes and then you're back to, excuse me, looking at the next situation. We're in and out of a trade. For these people who do investments of long term, things are very uncertain. So things are happening on a very grand scale, much faster. So the whole idea is to make sure that you do. Yeah, so it's exciting times. It's exciting times. It's exciting times for day traders. Not there were times where the gold could move $5 to $8 a day. Now there's times where the gold can move $102 in a day. Yeah, so it's fine. We go with the flow. Market is fast. We go fast paced. Market is slow. So today's no scheduled news. So we're always looking for an opportunity. Sit down, relax, everything else, and we'll go from there. I'm just waiting for Daniel's brief. So let's see. Other streams are starting to be on. Miss Tulip, Mr. Junaid, myself, Harneet. So these guys are in Keaton office today. Mr. Murtaz is running the floor, and Miss Tulip is in the boardroom. Also, I believe Mr. Vikram is running the show at. So Happy is gonna be back soon. Majid Bhai is gonna be back soon, and of course, then full throttle. 8 streams are gonna run. What did we add this weekend? Did the seminar Saturday. It got recorded. You guys are welcome to watch if somebody's interested in trading. Well, 4 hours. Then I did a class on funded Saturday morning. So Saturday I started my day around 9 o'clock and finished. Got home by 9 o'clock. So 12-hour days, and I do this for excitement, passion. It keeps me motivated. Would love to see new faces and always excited about this industry. So, like you always, Bullnox is on sale, 91%. Apex is 80%. Take profit. So, nothing too crazy here. We're going to go. So, what is my plan? I'll tell you after the brief. Most likely, high to go is the plan. So, new live session is going to start whenever Murtaz puts the stream on. You guys will see there's no stream on for him right now. Generally, he puts it on by now, but new badge in person. You are, of course, he's there, but online, I'm not sure what the delay is, but new batch. You can go into Murtaz live stream soon. So, tool update. As let me see. Let me bridge Daniel's brief. On our web service or on our training floor, not intended as trading advice. They're just meant to enhance your trading decision, but not make it for you. And we take no responsibility for any profit or loss. You're solely responsible for all your actions. And don't do what you think, do what you see. And always place your stops and always ready to accept those losses. And do what you see, don't do what you think. And treat this market the very first day you treat, and all the areas we have on our SuperAreas.com or on our graphs are not buy and sell areas or buy and sell offer. These areas are just for information and educational purposes only, and we take no responsibility for any action taken by any subscriber.
Today, our S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow, Russell 2000 base is down, pressure is down. This whole week is very important week, especially Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday, very important. Right now, if you see, Friday we had a push to the upside, went 100%, hit our expected high for the day. And expected high retraced back down 36 points. We knew that when Sunday market opened, we knew that price will have a push to the downside. And the 36 point, that's a very nice, beautiful push, 139.25 points on our NASDAQ. And right now, we are expecting a retracement somewhere over R1 area. Today, high to go low would be a good strategy. And our high for the day today is 60 S&P 500, 67.42 to 67.55 for S&P 500. Way higher than this. This is an extension of 61.25 points Friday high. So we'll see if price hold by R1 and R2 area. R2 and our expected high, Friday expected high is sitting at same place. Today, our low for S&P 500 is 66.75 to 63. NASDAQ, our high is 24,970 to 25,440. And our low for NASDAQ is 590 to 520, 24,590 to 530. And S2, keep eye on S2 on our S&P 500, that is 92 to 89 area, very close. Actually, this morning already price trying to get very close to our S2 area around 4 o'clock and bounce back up. But S2 is expected after the speech is over. We have first speech at 9:45 and then 10 o'clock and 12 p.m. 3 members will speech and we'll see what policy they're giving us. And overall, mostly markets are down. If you see, especially our cryptos are just tanked. Big push to the downside because of interest rate cut. And everything is opposite. Now in these days, if you see, everything is moving in opposite direction. And Bitcoin, a big drop, and our Ethereum, a big drop. And came down to 4,077 and bouncing back up. But overall, if you look at the Russell 2000 already break our night session low, lower low of the day, very big push to the downside, 44 point. That's a big push to the downside on our Russell 2000. Break even our Friday low area. So break even Friday low. Dow is down. Dow is 317 points down. Test our night session low at S2 area, just trying to test our S2 area. S&P 500 and NASDAQ both are synced. Our Russell and Dow are down. S&P and NASDAQ are pushing up. NASDAQ even very close to our night session high. Our one area night session high sitting at same place, and the S&P 500 just pull up the value area to the upside. It was hit 4 o'clock, low of the value area, and right now at top of the value area. R1 is valid, open above the below the mid range and try to push up. Other market, if you see, Euro was brutally down on Friday. If you remember, Euro was crazy down. It just tanked Friday, and right now, retracement of that Friday push, 89% up per Euro. British pound is 64% up right now. At R3 area, but I don't consider these pivots are right on our British pound. Canadian dollar, Friday went up, went to our expected high, somewhere expected high for the day, and bounced back down, down towards our S2. When it's open, Sunday 6 p.m. open, it just shoot to the downside. And right now, if you see, sitting somewhere PP, around the low PP area. Crude oil is down. Crude oil already hit our expected low for the day. If you see 80 cents push to the upside from Friday low, Friday very close to our expected low for the day, and bounce back up 80 cents. And right now, $1.39 push from this morning. when Euro session starts, 3 o'clock, 3:30, we have crude oil, no retracement at all. It just retraced very tiny few since 8 o'clock, and then again went down to our expected low for the day, and our low for the day is done for our crude oil in between S2 and S3 area. FDAX is down. After if you see crude oil is down, FDAX just follow and went to our expected low for the day. And right now, again, it's sitting at our expected low for the day, and 289 point dollar push to the downside on our FDAX. Gold went up $102.60, continuation of Friday. If you remember, Friday high was 24-25 area, and actually paused there whole night. Sunday even opened it, paused, and then morning 12 a.m. start bouncing back up. Continuation, no retracement. Even we had a very tiny retracement. Sunday nighttime from 30, it came down to 20, almost $10 push to the downside. If you see now, I'm saying it's no retracement, and it was the whole day range sometime years back. In one day, gold was moving $8 to $10, and now $8 to $10 we consider it's nothing. It's just 1 hour, even less than 1 hour push. Even from this morning, if you see, when it hit our expected high for the day, it hit our expected high 7 o'clock, 6 to 7 o'clock, hit expected high from 63, came down to 45. Imagine no higher low. We even didn't get a higher low. And this move was our whole week move sometime back, and hit our expected high, sitting at R3 area. Gold, I told you, I don't need to say, you can go down from this area or resistance. Gold is only one strategy. Always go up. Gold is always bounce back up. And our copper is down. Copper came down to S2. Actually, Friday we had a push to the upside, and retracement, 86% retracement right now. It just fell up the value. Actually, it was above the value area. Guys, please, some people even don't pay attention to value area. Value area is very powerful thing, very, very powerful thing. And if you see, in morning it was up the value area. It was actually above the value area. It get inside the value area around 4 o'clock, test back again, and then get in around 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, get in 9 o'clock. After 9 o'clock, just half an hour, fill up the full value area and paused at value area $4.60. Silver is up. Everybody know if gold goes up, it will take silver to the upside. There's no doubt. Silver is just a tail of our gold. The gold went up, silver went up, and silver went up $2.62. Imagine it's almost 12,500 push to the upside, with just if you're trading with minimum less than like 1,000 to like around $1,500 push to investment, and look at the push to the upside. Beautiful, went up to our R1 area. Right now at TP, our expected high is 44.60 to 50 cents. Just wait for expected high, and then you will have a very nice push to the downside on silver. Some people that trade silver, they are making very good money, like only in silver, 20 to 30,000 a month, because they are master in silver. And new people, it's a little bit hard for you to trade silver. Natural gas, below PP should go up. Cold weather is coming, and we'll see. I told you above $4 for our silver. And again, guys, Bitcoin brutally came down. Bitcoin and Ethereum both big push to the downside. Bitcoin came down $6,390, and right now sitting at our expected low for the day. Base is down, pressure is down, and that was expected way back for Bitcoin to bounce back down. And right now, if you see Bitcoin, somewhere I'm expecting 10,000. area. 10,000 area would be a nice bounce back area for our Bitcoin. And Ethereum also came down very nicely, $601.50 push to the downside, and right now sitting at our expected low for the day. Expected low for done for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Our low for the day is done. NASDAQ nicely bounced back from our R1 area. Actually, just kissed R1 area. S&P also get very close to R1 area, 17, but sorry, it's 7 points distant. But NASDAQ from 60, it just shy not even 4, just 3 points, 3 to 4 points, and paused at that area. Very strong cluster at the R1 area. We have a multi-resistance on NASDAQ, multi-resistance on S&P, our R1, R2 area, very strong areas. And diversion on NASDAQ, S&P also giving us a diversion if it went to R2 area or expected high. Please guys take the areas. If you have any question, you can call me or you can text me. I will be here. Again, guys, I'm telling you, this whole week is very, very important. Today, all speeches are coming. Tomorrow, we have 9 o'clock speech. Current account is coming. Flash manufacturing PMI is coming. Service PMI is coming. Richmond manufacturing index is coming. And important thing is Powell's speech is coming tomorrow around 12:35, and after hours it will impact. Wednesday, new home sales is coming again. FOMC. This whole week is FOMC week, and especially Thursday is very, very important. And Friday, we have our core PC inflation data is coming. Personal income is coming. Friday will be a very big moving day. We'll see University of Michigan. This is also inflation, and inflation, PCE. So we'll see this Friday if price bounce back down. Please, guys, take the areas. If you have any question, you can call me or you can text me. I will be here. Good morning, Vikram G. Manish, good morning. Clifford G. Mawson, everybody, good morning, and you're welcome, G. Everybody.
All right, so I'm waiting right now for R1 upper range. That's my goal. That's my from R1 did not. I was hoping would get some points, but mid-band, first mid-band is done. At 940, your first mid-band price came. It touched the mid-band, gave you a couple of points. So if you didn't take it, you didn't take it. That's it. NASDAQ came to 856. So my order, I'm waiting for the price to go to 880, 875, somewhere around there, R1 upper range. Then I'll do a 1 or 2 micro short from R1 because that is our night session high. That is our R1. And our all-time high is 888, right? So very close. So 875 is my entry with 1 micro or 2 micros, and I'll decide how it goes. And of course, and my order is sitting at 6720 for ES for R1. That's my first attempt. Let's see what happens. If you take this mid-band, you should be trailing now. So price is trying to go and head to, so it should definitely by 18 ES by 18, 19, 20 all-time high for ES we already have in the record, which is at 31, 67.31 is our all-time high, 88 is for NASDAQ, and 63 is for gold. So where's gold? Well, it's there, but I'm waiting for the price to go to 875. That's where my orders are. Let me go and check my orders. I placed my order at 875, 5 to 10, 876. I have placed my order at 876. Let's see what happens from there on. Because 876 is the night session high. Placed my order there. And that's where I'm planning to do. And I'm going to go and work on the tool as well in order to make that student mentor tool go, right? So one more time, it's at the bottom of the bar. Let's see if I go long, will it work? After the mid band, it's coming down to the bottom of the bar one time. So since Majid Bhai is not here, I'll ask somebody else to volunteer. And if you took a mid band, you should exit somewhere around 17 if you're trailing your profits. So a mid band order was at 6707. Let's say even if you take a buy order somewhere around at the bottom of the bar here. Let's say here, if you take a buy, I'm just saying this is a market buy. Somewhere around 17, you should be taking it. So price is going up, so you go up. There's no, so you should exit at 17 if it goes there. I personally have entered an evaluation on a mid band at 6.7, and I'm trailing right now. 6.70775 is my entry. Actually, and then I am trailing at the moment. But this is a different order. So, okay. So let's see if it does a breakout. It went to 54, and power of gold last night. Oh my God, there you go. Amazing. Somebody took. Guys, please don't bother support right now. They have no idea. I'm going to remove this whole student mentorship section. It's not done yet. You guys rush to it and then it doesn't work. And so I'm going to start because that was supposed to be only given to. I'm going to remove the section right now. Give me a second. Nazar bhi nahi aayega, and I'll give it to only private individuals who are testing with me. So for now, let me test, remove the section. So nobody gets to see it, nobody gets to bother support, because half information is dangerous information. Give me a second, plus new, I gotta do that first. New text file, new window. Let me set up a stream.
मैं आपको पूछती हूँ आलू कैसे लंच कर दें ठीक है वन टू नंबर आज के दिन थोड़ा बहुत गाइडेंस थोड़ी लाके ना आलू स्टार्ट ठीक है फिर मैं असल मेरी कंप्यूटर गाइड नहीं है मैं हाँ बट उन्होंने लाता मतलब कि 3 हफ्ते में उसे कर दिया थर्ड वीक शुरू है क्या संडे का आई थिंक सही रहेगा ओके सर 12 मंथ्स का सही रहेगा
Honey, 91% sale is there. Where is the power for this? Oh. One more. Perfect. So that is done. And now 5, 7, 9, 7, 3, multiply. Let me ask Majid by passwords. All right. I'm trailing. I'm up from that mid band quite a bit, and I'll exit at 17. We're inside the area of 65. So 60 from the area, it gave us 5 points so far. So I'm just trying to set up a replacement for Majid Bai's because he's not here, and we have quite a few beginners. So idea is to trail. If you took that one mid band, you should be trailing all the way from 06 to 17. So I am now, my stop is 67.11 at the bottom of the bar. I'm trailing all the way down. So I normally trail 10 ticks behind. There you go, beautiful. Now I've put in my stop at a 12. So I'm in the middle of the bar, not to kill the live threshold. So just trail, trail, trail. Beautiful. So I took the entry at 0775 and I exit at 12. So that gave me almost 6 points in this account. Good, beautiful. So first trade is done. Now I'm waiting for us to sell. It's 1929, 1975, somewhere close to night session high, because the high is 2125. Price of NASDAQ is inside there. So good. First mid band exactly at 940. Price pulled down. It was above one, made the S1 as a base, and then it shot up. So if you're done, if you're done your 2 points, or if you're done your next, green to buy, red to sell until area to area. So it's going from S1 to R1, and price of NASDAQ S1 R1 is officially done. There you go. If you're trailing, trail and exit. Put your exit at 17 because that's the area. So let's see. Let me see my order of 67. I'm sitting at 76 at night session high, which will put me somewhere very close to the upper area. 70. Positions, execution. Very close to expect R1. So both markets are in R1. So let's see. Beautiful weather outside. Love the rain. So that one mid band is done all the way up to 17. All right, you guys won't see any. So maybe it'll go to 25,000 because the next area from there, so it's touching PP now. 16 came to the PP area, and 1650 is, let's see if it gives us something from here. And if you sell on an area, exit at a mid band because that's your first support. The touched is very close to pivot. 17 is R1. Night session high is 21. So let's see. 72, 73, 74.50. Did not get picked up. So my order is sitting at 76. And let's see, 2 more points. And does it get picked up? 74, 75. Come on, go. 76. Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up. There you go. I got picked up at exactly 76. And our upper areas is 80. Now let's see where will it stop. That's the good question. Or will it stop? There's night session, and so I took 1 micro at 24,876 on this account. And 888 is the highest price ever in the history of this. And if you're inside the area, 1925, it got to there. From 76 to I'm done, G, my trade. My trade is done from 76. It came down to 65. And let's close this. I think it's on certain times I was close, done, close, done. 10 points came out of it, done. 76 to 66, my 10 points ATM is done. And if you took the area, your ATM is done. So 76 to 66, I am done. So 880 zone got done. If you took your 10 points, let's now wait for the next thing. So you're done. Your 76 was the night high, went to 88, then brought down to, now I will enter. So 10 points on this trade are done. What is the next area? There you go. Wajid Bhai, congratulations. You took 10 points. For those that are doing ES, तो जिनका NASDAQ हो गया, थोड़ा सा ES वालों के लिए अब जरा हम हैं, क्योंकि मैं ES में भी ट्रेड में हूँ, 19 से ट्रेड में हूँ, सेल में. There you go. NASDAQ upper area zone done. Congratulations. Everybody is done. Whether you took 1 micro or 10 minis or 100 minis, you are done. So somebody took 10 points. Congratulations. So wait now. Wait. Let ES come down because I'm in a trade from ES as well from 19. So it's given me 2 points, but I'm not yet. I want to take until. So the mid-band trade I took, it went as high as up there. 17, I exited out. 12, because that was bottom of the bar. I was trailing. But if you took an area at 17, you're at break even right now. So area trade is done. So by 9:57 a.m. today, we're literally done from NASDAQ, 10 points. And you can take more. I'm not saying you cannot take more. But there you go. Jitin Paji is done too. And now we sit back, relax. I'll start working on the ATM. My trades are done. Bullknox is done. Everything else is done. Live accounts are done. I should say perfect. Somebody took how many points? 20 points. 79. Great. There you go. Congratulations. Nobody took. This is a new.